Hi everyone, buttonholes. Say that slowly if you're ever on social media, because if you say I love buttonholes too fast, it doesn't quite come out sounding like buttonholes. And I had a good laugh at myself because I actually did that on a TikTok vid. All right, so one of the things I want to talk to you today, because I am doing some coats and some jackets right now to get perfect spacing of the buttonholes on your garment. You could do the math, you could do the measuring, but why bother when you have a product like this? This is the Simflex. I love this. Where was this 30, 40, 45 years ago when I was starting to sew? This product will extend out, and then you put this on your garment to get perfect placement of your buttonholes so that you can mark them with chalk or whatever you use. But when I put this against my fabric, you can see right here, oops, it's extended all the way and that bar does not go down to the next one. So what do? So easy. You just retract it, bring it down a little bit more, and then put that first one up against your buttonhole, and then just bring it back up and align the first, third, fifth, and seventh to the garment, do those markings, and then just move it down if you're working with a longer jacket. It is so easy with this to get perfectly spaced buttonholes. There are markings on one side. I don't know, my glasses on so I can't see which side it is, but they have the engraved markings here. So if you want to mark it going in from your garment, you can do that, like in from the edge where you want that buttonhole to start. As always, if you have never done buttonholes, try something new. Get out of your comfort zone. And I think that you are going to love the one-step buttonholer if you have never used it. I think about my own daughter, and she sews garments a lot. I honestly don't think she has ever done a buttonhole before, and it's so easy on her machine. So I'm hoping she does something with buttonholes really soon. Buttonholes really soon. All right, I want to show you how I applied this to my recent jacket that I'm making. This was actually part of my TikTok vid. So let's go and check it out. Watch how easy it is to use the Simflex. I have it right here. I'm going to extend it out, and you can see when I extend it out fully, it doesn't match going from the first one to the next one on this first bar. So I'm going to bring it back, and I'm going to match up the first and third bar with my buttonholes. Now you can see that it is a little bit off. I did not use this to mark these buttonholes, so these might be slightly off. But this one right here, if I mark it here, I'm going to get perfect spacing of my buttonholes on every garment I make, and that's my goal.